Hello Central Arizona College, this is Xavier Johnson and now I'm sharing with you another application that I put together which allows a user to determine how many shares of stock he or she can purchase based on the amount of money that the client has as well as the current stock prices. So let's go ahead and start the application now. The window that comes up is split into two parts. On the left hand side we have customer account data. So here we have account number 234561 and the person associated with that account is named Andy Stack, and Andy Stack has $10,200. There are other records included as well. If we wish to edit Andy's account, we could just simply double-click on his account number, and a new form comes up which allows us to edit his account. We can change his name, or we can change the balance in his account. In addition, we can also delete his record if we choose to want to do that. If we click Delete Record, the application asks us to confirm our choice. If we wish to add an account, we can do the same thing. We simply press the Add Account button here. Another form opens up for us, and we can begin to enter into the form account numbers, first names, last name, and a balance. If we don't enter in any data here and we just press the Add button, we can see that the application has some code validation features to make sure we do not enter bogus information into the database. Now going to the main part of the program, on the right hand side we have the section called Stock Purchasing Power. First thing to do is to choose an account. In this case we'll choose the same account number of Andy Stack, 234561. After choosing this account, his name populates in the appropriate field along with the available balance for Andy Stack. Now all we need to do is enter into the text field here a stock symbol, and we'll see the application in action. Before we do that, I'm going to enter in some bogus information. I'm going to enter in a semicolon. After pressing the semicolon, the application informs us that the stock symbol that's been entered can only be from the alphabet. So again, at this point we find that there are some validation features as well in this application. Let's go ahead and enter in a stock symbol. We'll enter in the letter L. This stands for Lowe's Corporation. The current share price of Lowe's is $46.26. And based on the amount of money that Andy Stack has and the share price, we know that Andy can purchase approximately 200 shares, specifically 220 maximum shares in order to purchase, in order to use up all the money in his account. And we can continue just to put in any other stock symbol here, such as, let's say, Google. Andy can only purchase 11 shares because the share price is $862.40. And so this is the application that was put together. It allows you to determine the number of shares that you can purchase based on how much money you have available and the current price of a stock that you've entered the stock symbol for in the text field. If you wish to see the code for this application, this has been made available to you. All you have to do is just click the download link and you will obtain it on this website or on this web page. Thank you for your time. Bye.